You're going to notice two courses on the page right below here. One of the courses is about business entities. It's recorded with my cousin, Tyler McLeod, who's an attorney, and he specializes in business and entity selection and entity creation. So if you want to take that course is going to teach you a lot of valuable information about what business entity form your business should take. Should it be a sole proprietorship? Should it be a partnership? Should it be an LLC, a C Corp with an S election, what they refer to as an S Corp? So it's going to cover a lot of the nuances of those different business entities and teach you what is the best way to structure your business. Super important. The other course was created with my friend Andrew Cole. Andrew Cole built and sold an Inc. 500 company here in America. It was the #2 best place to work in Seattle, where there are some amazing other companies, including Amazon, Microsoft, and Costco. And Andrew's business was the second best place to work in Seattle, an Inc. 500 company. And so in that other course on entrepreneurship, this is an amazing course. And it really lays the fundamental foundation of the mindset that you need when you start a business. What type of mindset do you need to start a business? So both of those courses are right below. They're the first two courses in our series about building businesses, and two of the most essential and important courses. I recommend enrolling in both of them, but if you can only afford to choose one, choose the entrepreneurship course with Andrew Cole. I'd choose that one first, and then once you get that first course, the second course is business entities. Welcome to Greater Commons. I'm super glad you're here. Both of those courses are going to serve you really well. Go ahead and click enroll, get enrolled in those classes today, and take that next step towards building your very own successful businesses. See you in class.